1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First, unwrap the packet. Which one? This is the Oppo phone Cadbury. Name is My Big Four. I think there was so delicious chocolate, strawberry, milky, and chocolate. So hardly pack it. This chocolate is not a hard chocolate, jelly type in chocolate. Okay, the next one. Next one is, yes, Kidsy Joy. This one is cheapest Kinder Joy version. 7 gram only. Unbox this toffee. Oh ho ho! There was 2 toffee, I think. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so hard. Yeah. Garden scissors. What is inside? Okay, this one is nut and chocolate. Nut and white cream. Check out this. I think there was same to same in inside. Nut and chocolate. Okay, check it. Oh wow! This is the smallest toy. Yeah. Now unpack in this one. This one is space. This is rocket. So let's check out. What happened inside. Oh my god. This one is space agency. Astronaut. And this one is astronaut rocket. Oh my god. This one is Milky rocket. Going to Milky Galaxy. And this one is astronaut. Okay, now time to check out the taste. Yes, the astronaut is so yummy. And this one is rocket. Check out the rocket taste. Good. This was very good chocolate and premium quality. Now unpack this one. This one, Candyman. Oh, plastic. No, this is impossible. Try to hammer. No, I am tired now. So, what the... Oh my god. Yeah. The solution is here. Catch. Lamb. Yeah. Check out the inside. Oh, so Candyman is little toffee. Oh my god. This one is blue. That's the reason there was one blue thing in one toffee. Nice. Taste is very good. Now unpack this Candyman. No, not possible that. This is not possible exercise. Nice. Oh, this one same to same in Candyman 1. I think mango flavor this one is. Yes. Nice. And out of sight layer of jaljeera. So many candy inside. And now unpack. Last one is Jen's most favorite Cadbury. Yeah! Oh my god. This one is best color. My favorite color. Nice. Taste is good. Old is gold. This is so hard. Inside is Cadbury.